Hi guys, you want to know how to get the Titan pretty brick bundler? It's easy only, but I'm a new YouTuber and you want to know how to get it. It's just easy. And let's start, but I need to join the game. Okay, there. Go to the desert map and become sawblade woman. Wait, where is it again? Wait. Oh, there is. Okay, wait. Okay, there. And become him. It's okay. I'm have him already. And go to the obsidian map and go there. Wait, let me go there. Wait, is he right? Wait. Yeah, it's right there. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Go. Let me go. Go. Okay, what did that say? Okay. You only can open the door. The finest blade would be available to cut down the door. You can, let me cut the door open, I think. Yeah, let me cut it. Boop. Okay, I'm cutting. Okay, let's go. Cannot teleport. Why? Come on, teleport me. Teleport. Cannot teleport. Come on. Teleport. Come on. I need to play over. It's tweaking. Nope, it's tweaking. Actually, it's actually tweaking. Please don't slice me open. Okay. I'm safe. Okay. Stop. Oh fuck. Wait. Oh, it's in the vault. Wait. What? Let me in. Hey, sawblade. Let me in too. Oh hell no. He running me like that. Wait guys. Let me reset really quickly. What? Oh. Okay. Let's go. Oh no! Please don't! Not again! Okay. Another saw blade? Oh no. Okay. I think I need to reset. Wait. Go. Let me run. Oh my gosh, it's so long to run. Come on, let me be a titan, I guess, but no. I need to die really quick. I think that this mode can kill you one punch. Yeah, okay. Guys, wait, I need to go back. Okay, let me go back to the desert. Wait. Okay, I'm back. Okay, what the? Oh, come on already! Oh my god, this Wi-Fi is so bad. And I'm in another country. Yeah, the Wi-Fi sucks over here. And wait, over here? Yeah, go up here. No, wait. It's in the lemon state. Forgot. Okay, let's go. Okay. Look at that Titan. It's cool, bro. Okay. Let me go there. Oh, there the battery. Okay. Goodbye. Wait, no, wait. Yeah, you spell it wrong. And goodbye. Let's go. There, the second battery over the cars, I think. think right? Wait, think? Wait, yeah. Yeah, it's right there. Yeah, it's right there? Yeah, it's right there. Okay, let's go. Who the heck is that? Okay, let's go. Okay. Go, go, go. Okay. Go up here. Go up here. Okay. Okay. Go here. Okay. Okay, go. Let me get this other battery. You need to go up there too. I need to go here. I need to buy one blade, please. I need to buy one blade, please. Okay, I need to talk to him first. Okay. I'm ready. Next. Next. Goodbye. Goodbye. Okay. He's look like sassy, but I need not to be sus. And let's go to here. I think I need to go here. Wait, no. Where is it? Wait, here? I forgot. Okay, there. Okay. Oh, the 4 battery, or that the 5 battery. Yup, no. For the batteries, 4 batteries. And go back to the lemon stage. And I forgot. And you need to go back there to the not change all in there. And you said how you need that. Let me show you. Okay, let's go, run. Oh, this character is so long to run. Okay, go there. Okay, run. I need to put the energy battery in here, I think. Yep. Wait. Yep. Oh, he scared me, bro. What the hell, bro? Oh, nice names. Hey. And that's for the video. And you want to watch me use the Titan Zoom-in? And I'm already have it. Want to show and goodbye to all y'all. And can you stop dancing? And yeah. I need to find points, bro. I'm not new, but yeah, I'm rich. I'm $200. I think not. I'm not rich, but I can buy all of them. Okay, let's go. Okay, and that's for the video. Please stop dancing. Okay, done.